In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com widgets. To get started, sign in to your Monday.com account and make sure you're on the correct workspace. Once you're in, open the dashboard where you want to use widgets. Dashboards are designed to help you visualize information from one or more boards, so this is where your widgets will live and where your reporting view will come together. After the dashboard opens, click Add Widget. This will bring up the widget gallery, where you can browse through the available options. Take a moment here to look through what Monday.com offers. Different widgets are built for different kinds of data visualization, so choosing the right one depends on what you want to track, summarize, or present on the dashboard. When you find the widget you want to use, select it to add it to the dashboard. Next, choose the board or boards that the widget should use as its data source. This is an important step, because the widget can only display information that exists in the connected boards. If your dashboard combines information from multiple places, make sure you select the relevant boards carefully. Once the data source is connected, configure the widget settings. This is where you define how the widget should work and what it should focus on. Depending on the widget type, you may be able to choose specific columns, metrics, filters, or other data fields. Select the columns, metrics, or data points you want the widget to display so that the visual reflects exactly what you need. After that, save the widget configuration. At this point, the widget should appear on your dashboard with the selected data. If you want to build a more complete dashboard, repeat the same process to add additional widgets as needed. Using multiple widgets can help you create a more useful overview, especially if you want to track different performance indicators in one place. As you add more widgets, drag them into position to organize the layout. You can also resize them as needed so the dashboard is easier to read and better suited to the information each widget contains. A clean layout can make a big difference when you're reviewing data regularly or sharing the dashboard with a team. Finally, review the dashboard to make sure each widget is displaying the correct data. It's a good idea to double-check that the right boards, columns, and metrics were selected. Then update data on the connected board and confirm that the widgets refresh accordingly. This helps verify that everything is working properly and that your dashboard stays current as your board data changes. Thanks for watching.